Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ocean County, northeastern Mercer County, Monmouth County, Middlesex County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jamesburg, or 8 miles south of New Brunswick, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Howell, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan, Seton Falls, Holmdel, Princeton, and Red Bank. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 11. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 19 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 90 and 127. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Might get a double header out of this.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey, until 10:15 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles southwest of Cliffwood Beach, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Secret Reef, Leonardo, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Atlantic Highlands, Manasquan Inlet, Monmouth Beach, Seabright, Axel Carlson Reef, Sandy Hook Reef, and Fair Haven. The coastal waters forecast from